morning. It's June 2nd. It's a Friday, and 55 degrees. Flynn woke me up at 4:45, and I forgot what the sunrise is. 4:47 was sunrise, so he got me up 2 minutes before sunrise. Looks like another beautiful day, although I understand we're going to have rain. It was a warm one yesterday. I didn't check my weather station to see what the high temperature was, but we're down at the Snowmobile Clubhouse again, with no more shiplap. We ran out again. Kevin doesn't want to buy too much and stay in it, and then have a bunch sitting around. So after we ran out yesterday, he ran down to I think Mallett's Mill to pick up more. Go back and stay in it. The guy's really killing himself with this. He's doing all the pin nailing. So we got all the up high stuff done, and now we're working the level right above the floor. And of course the mosquitoes and black flies are going to start buzzing me now. So he was on his knees most of the morning, nailing the stuff in. And we're not spring chickens. He's 65 or 66, I can't remember. I'm 70, I don't know how old Kurt is. Danny was there helping out yesterday. I don't know how old Danny is. But the four of us got done. Hopefully we get it finished today. Tomorrow is breakfast at the club, so they'll be helping out him down there, getting the batter made and sausage patties cooked, getting the eggs ready. They're down there at like 5 o'clock in the morning for breakfast. The ankles weren't too bad this morning. Then let's go fix the flag, Flynn. Flynn, come here. Grass needs to get cut. Yeah, that'll do. The screws need to get tightened. Alright. I don't feel any breeze this morning. I wish we had some to keep these mosquitoes away. They're starting to swarm Flynn. He's low down in the grass there. Come, bud. Bye. Now it gets to the point where I'll have to put the netted hat on. a light dinner last night. We just had tuna fish sandwiches on my homemade rye bread. Rye bread was delicious. Well, the sandwich was delicious, but the rye bread came out excellent. I had sliced it a little bit thicker than usual. And I had two of the bigger pieces, the center pieces. We had two pieces close to the ends. They're out. June 2nd, that means what, 19 days until summer? 19 more days where the sun rises earlier and earlier, although I don't know how much more early it can rise. What was it, what was that, 5:48? 5:47, I can't remember. And I didn't take note of the sunset time. It was beautiful last night though. Flynn and I went out for the last walk and there was a nice breeze. I was thinking about going out and sitting on the deck, but I didn't. I should have, but I only have a t-shirt on underneath the denim jacket. A little bit chilly, 8:55. And I don't have gloves on because they're in the back of the truck. Like, come on. The sun was brutal yesterday. When I get back to the house, go outside, and sun was very, very strong. We didn't have the air conditioning on. I didn't pull it out of the basement yet. But the house got some real good insulation, so we just had the shades pulled down and stayed nice and cool in the house. Uh-oh. Flynn, come on. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh, dead frog. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come. Come. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. I got my heart rate going. Hopefully the dust chokes the mosquitoes, but I doubt it. There's one on Flint's snout biting them. I had expected Eli over here to give me a call or a text or something to come over to his place to take the picture of the drone, but he never contacted me. So I don't know whether he didn't come up yesterday or what, or he's just busy getting ready for the concrete pour. Flynn. 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 Boy. Some deer tracks. I don't know if you can see it here. I don't know whether they were here yesterday. Coming back from the work at the Snowmobile Club yesterday, turned off of Route 6 onto North Road, and that first field on the west side of North Road has a moose cow and her calf running in the field. Got a couple of pictures of it. Had trouble getting my camera set up, my phone. Pulled the phone up, had to put in the PIN code, and try to launch the camera. And of course, I pushed the camera button, and it brought up a whole bunch of icons instead of the camera. Come on, buddy, this way, Flynn. Come on, in the house. Flynn, come on, Flynn. But I finally got the camera open. Had to use the zoom function because they moved 50 feet further west, away from the road. But I got some pictures. The calf was a nice brownish color, where the mom was more blackish. Oh boy. Come on, bud. Flynn. Flynn. When Flynn and I went out for an afternoon walk, the sun was so hot that the black flies and mosquitoes weren't even out. I guess the sun had just cooked them. Maybe not, but I didn't have any. I'll have to revisit that frog down here, right by the Parker driveway. It's a good-sized frog. Come on, bud. Over here, come. Come. Over here, come. Oh, look how filthy he is. Yeah, black flies. Come on. Let's come. My luck, the logging truck probably ran right over the frog. You can see it ahead. Flynn. 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 Come on. Flynn. Yeah, there's the frog. That's a good sized frog. I don't think I've seen frogs that big up here. Look, come on. Come on. You might see my hand going past the camera. The mosquitoes and black flies are landing on my ears. I'm walking down the North Drive to try to get Flynn to take care of business. It's got to stir up a bunch of black flies. Let's see if we can get them to go. The cellular game hosting company put out a notice on the 4th through 6th. The app is going through an upgrade and won't be able to access the photos. They say nothing will be lost, but I won't be able to check to see if it recorded anything. Boy. Well, the shoes got wet pretty quick. I don't know what he thinks he sees, but he's stalking something. Come on, Flynn, they're just dandelions. Flynn. Flynn. Come on. Let's go in the house. Come. Ow. Hey, bastard. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. No, he's not taking care of business this morning. I have to get him out after the work at the club. Oh boy. I said it was chilly before. Now it's a little bit warm. And a little jog. At least I didn't stumble and fall like Sleepy Joe Biden yesterday at the Air Force Academy graduation. Clown was trying to jog away from the podium. Tripped over a sandbag. He's 80 years old. The clown should realize he shouldn't try and show off that he's still agile, because he's not. And all the libtards on Twitter were trying to defend him. The Secret Service should have made sure that bag wasn't there. Oh boy. My GoPro camera wouldn't take time-lapse photos yesterday. They had taken 360 the day before, but couldn't get it to start taking pictures yesterday on time-lapse. So I changed the settings. It had defaulted to taking video. I changed it to default to time-lapse, and now it's working. Why that fixed it, I don't know, but now in the morning when I take these videos, I'll have to make sure I switch it to video mode, not time-lapse. Flynn is locked on the hair up here. Flynn, come here, come here, come here, come here, Come on, let's go. Flynn, come here. Flynn, come here. Oh, man. Mosquitoes are getting around his eyes. All right, in the house, come on. In the house, come. Mosquitoes are too bad. Good boy. All right, thanks for watching. Gotta get in out of these bugs.